Actually, I have created a shortcut format. This is a short format, you can say the T-shaped format, but actually we have to prepare the format like this. Okay, so for every account we have to prepare a format like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and on the basis of transaction that is to be transferred to a specific account, we have to prepare the format like large format or small format. You can give 4 to 5 lines in a small format and 10 to 12 lines in large format. Like in cash account, there is several cash transaction in any month. So cash account ledger format will be long. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So after identify all the transaction, the next step is enter the date of transaction in the date column of the accounts written in journal entry. Okay, so all the accounts that we have opened in journal is transferred to ledger, and the transaction we post in ledger starts from posting the date of transaction. So whatever the transaction date is, we have to write it in the ledger also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The next step is name of account in the opposite side of journal will be written in particular column. Now, in this format, you can say the first entry is cash account debit to capital account. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, we have to see that cash account is on which side.
Cash account.
Yes, in first entry.
In the middle.
No, journal entry. I'm talking about journal entry, not ledger. In journal entry, cash account is on which side?
Credit side, sir.
Credit side?
Debit side. Sir, I really don't get what you're trying to say.
Okay. You are seeing this journal entry?
Yes, sir.
In this entry, cash account is on which side?
Oh, debit side.
Yes, debit side. So cash account is on the debit side. So if we open a cash account in ledger, okay?
Okay.
So you have to match this with the journal entry. So in this journal entry, cash account is on the debit side. So we will write this entry in the debit side of cash account. In the debit side of cash account. And in capital account, it will be credited. You can see capital account, we have written by cash. Yes, and in cash account, it is written to capital. Okay.
Yes.
So all the entries that we post on the debit side of ledger, it is starts with 2, and all the entries that we post in the credit side, it starts with by. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So if cash is on the debit side, then in cash account, it will be debited. Now, what we have to write? We have to write the name of opposite account. So in cash account, in this entry, what is opposite of cash account?
Opposite
Which account? Yes, which account is opposite side of cash account?
Capital.
Capital. And cash account is opposite of capital account. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So for cash, it is capital. For capital, it is cash. So in capital, it is written cash, and in cash account, it is written capital.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Now, tell me about this entry.
What should I
it
say?
will be posted.
How it will be posted?
Where it will be posted? In which account?
On purchase account and cash account.
In purchase account and cash account. Okay. And which side of purchase account?
Purchase account debit side.
Yes, in purchase account, it will be debited, and in cash account, it will be credited. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you can see here in purchase account, we have written to cash, and in cash account, we have written by purchase.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is our second entry. In third entry, we have done the same. Mohan to sales. So in Mohan account, it is written on the debit side to sales, and in sales account, it is written on the credit side by Mohan.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is our posting. So we have done the posting concept. After that, the next concept is totaling. This is the process, the procedure we follow for preparation of ledger. So after posting, we do the totaling. Can you read the totaling?
Totaling means calculating total numbers of debit and credit side. The higher total will be
Total amount of debit and credit side.
total amount of debit and credit side. But higher number will be written in both sides. Total.
Okay. So you understand this line or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you explain it to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can you show me the equation
Accounting equation,
or the blackboard?
the one note.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see the total in cash account?
Yes.
Yes, sir. So cash account 1 lakh is the higher. So we wrote in both sides, sir.
Actually, this balance. Okay. Now tell me.
Yes, sir. To capital 1 lakh is there, sir. That is the higher
Yes.
one. So we are going to write that in both.
Yes. If we total the both side, debit and credit side separately, 1 lakh is on the debit side and 50,000 on the credit side. So
Yes.
the highest total is 1 lakh. So it will be written in both side total. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What about balancing?
By balance.
What?
By balance.
By balance.
Yes. Sir. Carry down.
By balance.
What?
CD.
Yes, sir. CD.
Okay. How much amount?
50,000.
Okay. 50,000. So it is clear to you that totaling, balancing, and posting. I think
Posting.
you already know this. Yes.
Kind of.
Okay. So you were saying something actually about posting.
Yes, sir. Can you explain posting again?
Okay. Actually, I will explain with the question. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Just one. Okay. So here is the question. Can you see the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can pass the journal entry from these transactions. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you tell me the journal entry? Actually, I will solve directly the ledger part. Okay. But in the question, generally it will ask to solve journal first and then prepare ledger from it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So tell me the journal entry.
1 minute, sir. Purchased goods from Rita. Goods account, debtor to creditors account.
Okay.
Should I say the amount?
Yes.
Okay, sir. 20,000.
Purchase account debit to creditors account, you told me?
Or Rita account.
Yes, it will be Rita because the name of creditor is given.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one.
Cash account to Rita account.
Cash account debit to Rita account. Okay.
Yes, sir. 10,000.
Okay.
Sales account to Rohit accounts. Sales account debtor to Rohit accounts.
Wrong.
Eh?
And what is the entry you told me for April 4th?
Cash paid to Rita. 1 minute, sir. Cash account to Rita account. Rita account.
Yes.
Oh, correct.
Yes.
Then why, sir? Why are you asking me?
No. Actually, just tell me the entry. I have the entry is not clear to me. Actually, that's why.
Okay, sir.
Can you repeat the entry?
Change the page.
Okay, I have changed the page.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Cash paid to Rita. Cash account debtor to Rita account. Rita account debtor to cash account.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
This cash paid. So cash is a real account and it is going.
Okay, sir.
What is the rule for a real account?
Cash debit what comes in, credit what goes out.
Yes, credit what goes out means if cash is going, it will be credited.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, next one.
Sold goods to Rohit.
Sold goods to Rohit.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. Rohit account, the sales account to Rohit account.
Sales account debit to Rohit account.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is not correct.
Oh my goodness. Okay. So it is Rohit account debtor to sales account, sir.
You just repeating the entry with, you can say the opposite.
Yes, sir.
But that is not the correct way to tell me the entry.
But we sold goods, sir. So it is sales accounts.
Okay, yes, it is sales account, but sales account is on the credit side.
Yes, sir.
So why you were saying that it will be debited?
But I changed it, sir. Second time I told it.
Okay.
So 1 minute.
Okay. Next one.
1 minute, sir. Okay. Goods received cash from Rohit.
Yes.
Oh, cash account debtor to credit Rohit account.
Very good.
Then goods purchased from Rita. Again.
Goods purchased from Rita. Yes.
Yes, sir. Purchase account debtor to Rita accounts. 12,000.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Cash paid to Rita. Okay. Rita account to cash account. Rita account debtor to cash account, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Goods sold to Rohit. So the
Okay.
question is repeating itself, sir.
Yes.
Rohit account debtor to sales account, sir. Received
Okay.
cash from Rohit, cash account debtor to Rohit account, sir. 6,000. Finished.
Okay. So now solve the question in writing so that you understand it better.
Yes, sir.
So question number 1, solution. First of all, the question is on 1st April 2020, Mohit Delhi started business with a capital of rupees 50,000 and he made the following transaction during the month of April. So there is first transaction written in the heading. Okay. So first of all, the heading, journal entry in the books of the name of person is Mohit. So Mohit. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Journal entry. First, we have to write. Now, the year starts in 2020. First transaction is on April 3rd. Sorry, April 1st. Business has started with capital. So the entry will be cash account debit to capital account.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the amount is 50,000.
Oh,
Started business with cash 50,000.
sir, it is not even mentioned.
Please see the question again.
Yes, sir.
On 1st April 2020, Mohit Delhi started business with a capital of 50,000.
Okay, sir.
So it is given.
Yes, sir.
Now purchased goods from Rita. So purchase goods from Rita, it means it is on the credit. Purchase account debit to Rita account. Yes, it is
Yes.
20,000, 20,000. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. The next entry is on April 4th. Actually, we have to write the narration also. It is very important to write the narration, means detail of the question.
Tail of the question means being purchased from Rita.
Yes, yes, the transaction detail.
Oh, okay, sir. Does that carry mark?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So next is cash paid to Rita. So it will be Rita account debit to cash account. Actually, in accountancy, everything is for presentation purpose, that you give information to someone and someone can understand your information very easily.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so Rita account debit to cash, it is 10,000 and 10,000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next is on April 6th, it is goods sold to Rohit. So Rohit account debit. Actually, when we write the name, we write like this. Then we can put only the account here. Otherwise, you have to write Rohit debit. No account will be included. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if we have to add account, then this S will be placed.
Okay, sir.
So Rohit's account debit to sales 25,000, 25,000. Next is received cash from Rohit. So cash account debit to Rohit account. It is on April 8th. The amount is 20,000, 20,000. After that, goods purchased from Rita again. So April 12th, purchase account debit to Rita. The amount is 12,000, 12,000. And on April 18, cash paid to Rita. So Rita account debit to cash account. Okay.
Okay.
It is 20,000 and 20,000. After that, it is again goods sold to Rohit. April 25th, a Rohit account debit to sales account. Actually, main focus is to prepare ledger from the journal. That's why I'm not writing the narration, but we have to include narration. It is must.
Okay, sir.
10,000, 10,000. And after that, received cash from Rohit. It is April 30, cash account debit to Rohit account. Tell me, do you have any doubt in this journal?
No, sir.
Okay, after writing all this, we calculate the total of journal also. Okay,
Okay, sir.
like this. Now we will prepare ledger. Okay, so in this journal, how many accounts do we have?
Cash account, capital account, purchase account,
Cash 1, capital 2,
purchase account, Rita account,
purchase account 3, Rita account 4, and Rohit account
5, sir. Sales account.
5, and sales account, it is 6. So do we have 6 account open here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So first of all, cash account. So cash account, it will be date, particular. Actually, we don't have to put this in every account. One time in the beginning, we will write this, and after that, no need.
Okay.
Okay, after cash account, it is capital account. Then purchase account,
Sales account.
then Rita account, then Rohit account, and then sales account.
Okay.
Okay. So the first transaction that we have posted here is cash to capital. Okay. Cash account debit to capital account. So there is two accounts written. One is cash to is capital. Okay. So first it will be transferred to cash and then capital. Okay.
Okay.
So for posting, we consider name of account first. So cash account debit to capital. Now, cash is on which side?
Debit side.
And capital is on the credit side. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So cash is on the debit side. So we will write in the debit side of cash. It is to capital account. Okay, on the debit side of cash account, because cash is debited in journal entry. So in ledger, we will write the entry on the debit side of cash. Okay, with to capital means name of opposite account, name of opposite side account.
Okay.
So 20,000. Now capital is on the credit side. So we have to write on the credit side of capital, and name of opposite side account is cash. Is this clear?
Okay.
Okay. The second entry is cash paid to Rita, means Rita account debit to cash. Now in this entry, a Rita account to actually purchase goods from Rita. The second entry is purchased goods from Rita. So purchase account debit to Rita, purchase is on the debit side. So to Rita. Okay.
Okay.
It is 20,000. And in Rita account, Rita is on the credit side of journal entry. So in the credit side of Rita account, we will write which account?
By purchase.
By purchase. 20,000. Now the third entry is goods, cash paid to Rita. So Rita account debit to cash account. So there is one account Rita, but it is on the debit side now. So we have to write on the debit side to cash account. It is 10,000. Okay.
Okay.
And cash is in the credit side. So it will be credited in cash by Rita. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now tell me, do you have any doubt in posting now?
This is posting, sir.
Yes.
No, sir. No doubt in posting.
Actually, all the information that we post from journal to ledger is called posting.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So now if you understand the concept, tell me about this entry.
A Rohit account to sales account?
Yes.
Okay, sir. In Rohit account, it will be on the debit side, and on sales account, it will be on the credit side, sir.
Okay.
Rohit
And
account to sales, and on sales account by Rohit.
very good. So in Rohit account, it will be on the debit side to sales.
Yes, sir.
So to sales account, and in sales account, it will be by Rohit account. Okay. So the amount of transaction is 25,000. Actually, date of transaction is also important, but we have written the date, April 6. Now in Rita account, there is a purchase on April 3, and there is a cash on April 4. Okay. And in purchase account, it is April 3. In capital account, it is April 1st. And in cash account, it is April 1st for capital, and it is April 4th for Rita. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now the next entry is received cash from Rohit. We are receiving cash from Rohit. So cash account debit to Rohit. Cash is on the debit side, so to Rohit account.
Rohit account. Yes.
April 8 to Rohit account 20,000. And in Rohit account,
By cash.
by cash. $20,000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next is goods purchased from Rita. Okay. So again, goods purchased from Rita. So by purchase account. $12,000. And in purchase to Rita, 12,000. It is April 12. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Next is cash paid to Rita again. So April 18 to cash account, it is 20,000. And in cash account, it is by Rita. $20,000. Okay. The next is goods sold to Rohit again. So April 25, it is to sales account, 10,000. And in sales account, by Rohit account, 10,000. Again, in last received cash from Rohit. So in Rohit, it will be on April 30th by cash account, 6,000. And in cash account, to Rohit account, 6,000.
Sir,
Tell
can
me.
you show the Rita account? Okay.
There is 2 purchases and 2 cash received here, cash paid here. So
Okay, sir.
okay. Now the next part, totaling. Posting is complete. So totaling. In this account, the total of debit side is 46,000 and total of credit side is 30,000. So which one is high? 46,000.
Yes, sir.
So 46,000 will be written on both sides. And then the lower side will be deducted from the total amount. So 30,000 will be deducted from 46,000 and it will be written as by balance CD. 16,000 and to balance BD 16,000. Now this balance CD is calculated on the last date, so April 30th, and this next period the starting date, so May 1st. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next account, capital account. So there is no debit side amount.
Yes, sir.
So 20,000 is higher.
Capital account, it is 20,000.
Yes.
Shouldn't it be 50,000?
It is 50,000. Yes, it is 50,000. Very good. You remember the amount. Okay. So you have copied the amount, the transaction.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So 50,000. Now on the debit side, balance will be calculated. April 30th, and it will be May 1st by balance BD 50,000. Okay.
Okay.
The next account is purchase account. On the debit side, the only entry is on the debit side, so 32,000 total. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So by balance CD 32,000 and to balance BD 32,000. It will be April 30th and it will be May 1st. Okay.
Okay.
The next is Rita account. On the debit side, it is 30,000, and on the credit side, it is 32,000. So 32,000 is higher.
Yes, sir.
Now on the debit side, it is 30,000. So balance will be 2,000.
Okay.
Now Rohit account. So on the debit side, the amount is higher, 35,000. $9,000 here, and to balance BD 9,000. It is April 30th and it is May 1st. Now the sales account.
35,000.
35,000. 35,000 and to balance CD 35,000 and by balance BD 35,000. It is May 1st and it is April 30th. Okay, done. So these are our accounts. Tell me, you understand the concept of posting, totaling, and balancing?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
No, sir. No.
You want to copy this?
I already copied, sir, while you were explaining.
Okay. So there is nothing you want to ask?
No, sir.
Okay. Now there is an entry called compound entry. You remember?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir, I heard you say compound entry. Just give me a reference.
Okay. When there is two or more accounts in one side.
Oh, okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you tell me one example of compound entry?
Purchased goods and discount allowed.
Okay. Entry will be
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. No, sir. Purchased goods for cash, discount allowed, and discount allowed.
okay. I understood the question. Just tell me the journal entry.
Goods account, debtor, cash account. I mean, goods account, cash account, and discount account. One minute, sir. I have one more doubt, sir. Is it transactions? I mean, accounting equations?
No. I'm just asking about journal entry.
Journal entry. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I don't know, sir. Any examples?
Okay. So there are many transactions where there is more than one account in one side. So like paid cash to Rita and discount received. Paid cash 10,000, discount received 1,000. So the journal entry will be to cash account to discount received account. Okay, whenever you write discount received and discount allowed, you don't combine these two in a single ledger. Sometimes the students write discount on the debit side, discount on the credit side. So they open common account for both discount received and discount allowed, which is incorrect.
Okay.
Okay. So we have to open two separate accounts for discount allowed and for discount received.
Okay, sir.
Now, this is compound entry. You can see here is here two accounts is written on the credit side. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So these type of entry is called compound. Whenever we say GST, It is also compound entry because there is two or more accounts on the debit side. On the debit or credit side, like input GST, output GST, input SGST, input CGST. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So in these type of accounts, there is a little change in posting concept. Okay.
Okay.
Now there is, how many accounts is there in this entry?
3 accounts.
3 accounts. So we have to open 3 accounts. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, in Rita account, first of all, Rita account. Yes, tell me how we will post this entry into Rita.
On the debits, 1 minute, sir. Okay. On the debit side, we will write cash account.
Yes. Okay. And
To cash account, to discount received account.
to cash account.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
No, sir. And to discount received account.
To discount received account means both.
Yes, sir.
Why we are writing both account? Because there is 2 accounts on the opposite side. So we have to write all the accounts which is written in the opposite side of the ledger.
Okay.
So we are opening Rita's account. So cash and discount received is on the opposite side of our account. So we have to write both of these.
Okay, sir.
What about cash?
Cash account by on the credit side by Rita account. Yes, sir. And on the discount received account by Rita account. Credit side.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now what about amount?
10,000. On the cash side, it is 10,000.
This,
Yes, sir.
it is by Rita. So 10,000. Okay. And
On the discount received account, it will be 1,000.
it will be 1,000. Okay.
On the Rita account, it will be 11,000.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have written 2 accounts in Rita's account, but you have entered a single amount, 11,000.
Yes, sir. Oh, we can write 11,000. The cash and discount received.
1,000.
No, sir, 11,000.
11,000 here also.
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir. Oh, okay. In the Rita side, cash account 10,000 and discount received account 1,000, sir. And by Rita,
Done.
and no, sir, on cash account and discount received account, it will be 11,000.
Okay. Done.
That's it. Yes, sir.
It is incorrect.
Oh,
Actually, we have to write the amount in front of that account. If we are writing in cash account, then we have to see how much account is written in front of cash. In cash account, it is 10,000.
yes, sir.
So here we will write only 10,000.
Will be 10,000.
Okay. And here it will be 1,000 because in front of discount received, it is only 1,000 written in it.
Okay, sir.
But in Rita account, actually, if you have seen the entry, the total amount is 11,000. Okay. And if we write like this, we will get 11,000 in total.
Okay, sir.
So this is the correct situation.
Okay, sir.
Now, tell me, do you have any doubt?
No, sir. No doubts.
Okay. Any previous topic doubt? Yes.
I have some. No, sir. I don't have any doubts. You corrected my test paper.
You send it of
Yes.
this Friday test paper. Yes.
Yes, sir. In that, the last question, GST, I have some doubts. That's
Okay.
it, sir.
Actually, I have not received the question paper. Okay. The solution.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I will receive today or tomorrow. Then we will discuss.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So first I will check your copy and then we will discuss the question and answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.